Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for honest expert beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into the Hydrate and Soothe Beauty Collection by OPULUS, which includes the Activator and the Awaken Facial. This kit promises to bring revolutionary skincare right to your fingertips with a unique thermal blending process. Let's see how it performs. The OPULUS Activator uses a patented thermal blending process to transform solid OPUL treatments into warm serums or creams at 107 degrees Celsius, which supposedly helps your skin absorb them more effectively. The kit also features the Awaken Facial, which is marketed as a deeply hydrating cocoon mask designed to nourish and rejuvenate the skin overnight. Together, they aim to smooth, hydrate, and soften the skin, addressing issues like rough texture, dullness, and dehydration. Let's break it down further. The Awaken Facial is all about hydration and overnight renewal. When applied, it creates a moisturizing cocoon on the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and brightened by morning. The mask is designed to target dry, dull, or rough textured skin, making it a great option for those dealing with tired-looking skin. It's suitable for all skin types, including dry, normal, combination, and even sensitive skin. I tested this treatment for a few weeks, and I have to say, it delivers a noticeable boost in hydration. My skin felt softer after each use, and I woke up with a more radiant complexion. The second part of the treatment, the smoothing and softening effects, really stood out to me. The formula gently exfoliates and refines the skin's texture, making it feel smoother and more even. I tested this on areas with rough patches, and after several uses, I noticed that the skin appeared more even-toned and soft. Now, for the product's usability, the process was quite easy to integrate into my skincare routine. The Activator, with its unique thermal blending process, was interesting to use. It warms the solid serum or cream, and I found that this slightly heated application really felt soothing on the skin, enhancing the product's effectiveness. It's like giving yourself a spa treatment at home. I used the Awaken Facial Mask at night, and the next morning, my skin felt soft, smooth, and visibly brighter. The biggest pro of this product is its hydration factor. If you're looking for something to rejuvenate tired, dehydrated skin, this is a solid option. The packaging is sleek, and the overall experience feels luxurious. However, the price might be a point of contention. While the product is effective, I found that the cost might not be justified for everyone, especially those who have similar treatments already in their routine. Also, the scent is quite subtle, which some might prefer, but others may expect a bit more sensory indulgence from a high-end skincare product. As far as value for money goes, this kit is on the pricier side. Considering the 3.5-week supply when used twice a week, the price might feel steep unless you're looking for something to really elevate your skincare experience. However, if you're someone who values high-end treatments and the convenience of at-home luxury skincare, this could be worth the investment. In comparison to similar treatments on the market, this kit offers something a bit unique with its thermal blending technology. Many treatments offer hydration and smoothing, but the way the OPULUS Activator works to enhance absorption sets it apart from other products that don't include this specific step. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels sturdy, and the products are well preserved, which is a plus for maintaining ingredient potency. The longevity of results depends on how consistent you are with use, but after a few weeks, I definitely saw improved skin texture and hydration. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer support, but OPULUS has a reputation for good customer service based on general brand feedback. If you ever have any issues, it seems like their team is responsive and helpful. If you're on the lookout for alternatives, there are some more affordable options that might give you similar results. Some budget-friendly overnight masks and hydrating serums provide decent hydration and smoother skin, but might lack the thermal blending technology. Brands like The Ordinary or Laneige offer effective treatments at a lower price point. Now, for my final thoughts. This Hydrate and Soothe Beauty Collection is a high-end option for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine. The hydration boost and skin smoothing effects are impressive, but whether it's worth the price depends on your personal skincare goals and budget. If you're willing to invest in luxury skincare, I would recommend giving this a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.